What's up, everybody? My name is Anthony, aka Barry Groove, and welcome back to Dance with VS Versatile's online street dance tutorials. Today, we're going to be learning whacking, specifically punking. Let's get started.
Perfect.
All right, to get us started, let's talk about a little bit of the history. Punking was actually the original name for whacking. Punking was a derogatory term that was used towards the LGBTQ plus community, but they changed it into something positive and called the dance punking. So from punking turned into whacking. So we're gonna learn punking. Punking is the theatrical, the character, the persona, the drama, yeah? So you're thinking of taking an image and bringing it to life, yeah, like a film. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna give you a character, and we're gonna have specific movements that we're gonna go to, and then we're gonna melt and bring that character to life. Of course, you can take this and turn it into your own thing. Remember, this dance was built off of free expression and different kind of movements, and everybody had different characters and different personas. So you can either follow me, or you can follow just my rhythm and the directions that I'm going, and you can create your own character, yeah? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a character that's over dramatic, that they're reaching for something and they wanna pull it in, boom, 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 boom. So we're gonna go to our right, we're gonna go to our left, and we're gonna go forward, just to kind of give us some sort of direction, yeah? So let's start off with our right, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, you're gonna go out, and then you're gonna pull in, boom, 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 boom. To give us a count, you're gonna go out 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're gonna pull in 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? So you're kind of giving them the image, and then you're bringing it to life by bringing that character and giving that emotion. Yeah? So let's start off from our right, and then we're gonna go into our left. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you notice, both poses weren't the same, or both images weren't the same, because they're different emotions and different ways of bringing your character and finding those different layers for your punking. Yeah? So let's try it again, where we're from our right to our left, and then we're gonna face the camera, and we're gonna go really in depth, and you're gonna really pull that energy and bring that character to life. Yeah? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? So we're going to our right, to our left, and forward. Really bringing that character to life, showing different layers, different ways of expressing that character. Really bringing that punking and that drama to life. Yeah? So let's try it again. Right, left, forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? Also, one quick note, don't forget your face. The face is really important because you don't want to have all this really good movement and have all your character be all in your body and then your face not match the character. You want your character to come to life, right? So you want to have that image of when you're pulling in, you're really finding that character and really letting the audience know like what that story is, yeah? So let's try it one more time, but this time let's try it with some music. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna try it with music, but what we're gonna do is each time we do this movement, we're gonna try to create another character for each layer. So we're showing different levels of that punking and different personas and different images, yeah? Still maintaining our right, our left, and our forward. All right, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time. And there we go. All right, you guys, thanks for dancing with me today. Remember, punking is the original name for whacking. When it comes to punking, there's so many different ways you can approach your character. You could be a superhero, you could be a spy, you could be a supermodel, you can even be an alien. It's up to you. All you have to do is really bring that character to life with your movement. Yeah? Also, big shout out to Hueville Studios for providing the space. If you want to know more information about them, check the description below. And if you want to know more information about Versastyle, you can check us out on Facebook and Instagram at VersastyleLA. And if you want to know more information about me, you can catch me on Instagram at BarryGroove92. Peace.